Welcome to the 2012 AMS History Assembly.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming. Lift every voice and sing till earth and heaven ring, ring with the harmonies of liberty. Let our rejoicing rise high as the listening skies. Let it resound as loud as a rolling sea.
On Lincoln's funeral train, his image was on the front on the cowcatcher. The train traveled to Baltimore, then Philadelphia. In the room where the Declaration of Independence was signed at Independence Hall, therein Lincoln's body would lie in state. Along the way from Washington, D.C. to Springfield, on more than one occasion, angels were seen. Young women, young girls, dressed in white, gesturing, pointing, almost all with a tear in their eyes.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Oh, I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see.
Born into slavery in Maryland, Harriet Tubman, at age 13, while defending another slave trying to escape to freedom, was hit on the head, struck hard by her master with a lead weight, causing her problems for the rest of her life with seizures and spells. In 1844, she married John Tubman. She never had children. In 1849, she moved to Philadelphia, where she worked as a cook, took care of laundry, and most importantly, became involved with the Underground Railroad, an abolitionist. The pathway to freedom for slaves. Though considered a very ordinary-looking woman, she was not.
No more
walk with me, Lord, yes, please walk with me. Yeah, while I'm on this tedious journey, we need Jesus to walk with me. If he just be my guide, yes, please, be my guide into the night up north.
Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, for purple mountain majesties above a fruity plain. America, America, God shed his grace on thee.
When you believe in things that you don't understand, it's the worst that you
She was more like a beauty queen from a movie scene. I said, don't mind, but what do you mean? I am the one who would dance on the floor and around. She said, I am the one who would dance on the floor and around.
I had you to myself, I didn't want you around. Those pretty faces always made you stand out in a crowd. When someone picked you from the branch, well, this is all it took. Now it's much too late for me to take a second look. Oh, baby, give me one more chance. Show you that I love you, won't you please let me back in your heart? Oh, darling, I was blind to let you go, baby. Now since I've seen you in his arms, I want you back. I do now, I want you back. Ooh, baby, I want you back. Yeah, 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 I want you back. Hey, now, now. Down by the riverside, down by the riverside, down by the riverside, down by the riverside, sunny boy, sunny boy.
We'd like to play for you the night before Dr. Martin Luther King was murdered. The I Have a Dream speech is called a great speech, but this one, if you've ever read the context, is oh so lengthy and full of so much knowledge and wisdom. And this is just, if you read it somewhere, the final paragraph. But look into the man's eyes, let his words bounce through your mind, see the emotion and feel the power. This is one night in less than 24 hours before his life would end.
Well, I don't know what will happen now. We've got some difficult days ahead. But it really doesn't matter with me now because I've been to the mountaintop. I don't mind. Like anybody, I would like to live a long life, longevity has its place. But I'm not concerned about that now. I just want to do God's will. And he's allowed me to go up to the mountain. And I've looked over and I've seen the promised land. I may not get there with you, but I want you to know tonight that we as a people will get to the promised land. So I'm happy tonight. I'm not worried about anything. I'm not fearing any man. Mine eyes have seen the glory of the coming of the Lord.
This is a CBS News special report.
Dan Rather reporting for CBS News from New York. The Reverend Martin Luther King Jr. was shot to death by an assassin late today as he stood on a balcony in Memphis, Tennessee. Dr. King had planned to lead another civil rights march in Memphis next Monday. We got the latest on the story now from Russ Hodge, news director of WREC-TV.
And so they were gesturing from the balcony where they thought the shots were coming from. The Reverend Ralph Abernathy and Jesse Jackson pointing where they thought the shots were coming from. And it ended with the Martin Luther King Memorial just opened in Washington, D.C.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome some sweet day. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. I need a young voice to help me. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, deep in his heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Can I hear another voice? We shall